ICC Champions Trophy 2025, match number 6, Bangladesh vs New Zealand. Match played at Rawalpindi Cricket Stadium, Rawalpindi. New Zealand won the toss, elected to field first. Bangladesh 50 overs, 236 runs, lost by 9 wickets. Nazmul Hossain Shanto is the top scorer, 110 balls, 77 runs. Then New Zealand team best bowling figure, Michael Bracewell, 10 overs, no maiden, 26 runs, 4 wickets taken. New Zealand 46.1 overs, 240 runs, lost by 5 wickets. New Zealand team highest scorer Rachin Ravindra, 105 balls, 112 runs. Then Bangladesh team top bowling figure Taskin Ahmed, 7 overs, 2 maiden, 28 runs, 1 wicket taken. New Zealand won by 5 wickets in this match. Player of the match Rachin Ravindra, absolutely brilliant performance. Congratulations New Zealand cricket team.